Hi, I'm Jamie Albert from Group Pools and Patios. I recently discussed with a client their experience with the pool that they chose. So this video is not so much about my company, but it's more about the pool brand we use, which is Leisure Pools USA. Let's check it out.
My name is Michael. I live in Westchester County in West Harrison, New York, and this is my leisure pool. I chose the Leisure Pools Ultimate 30 in the crystal blue, and it's a pool I'm proud to own. This is our second season with the pool. I've had no trouble with the pool. It operates very smoothly, beautifully. The fiberglass construction is exactly what I wanted. It's crystal blue. For me, the color was perfect. For me, the fiberglass is perfect. For me, the size was perfect in our space. It was everything I saw in the catalogs. In reality, it is even more beautiful. I wanted to tell you there's some features about the pool that I really love. I love the streamlined look. The lines are not interrupted with handrails. The entrance into the pool is gradual by steps. There is that ledge that allows you to walk out. It's about 2 feet deep. Walk out before you step into the lower depths of the pool. My children, grandchildren will dive. They'll flat dive off the edge at the deep end and they're fine. It's just comfortable to swim in. Having the built-in hot tub is a wonderful feature because it's part of the pool. I love the idea that the hot tub has fresh water in it all the time. The idea of a separate hot tub that's self-contained. The hot tub here, when you turn it off, it starts recirculating again in the entire pool. So there's always fresh water in it. And I love that feature. I think that's the best feature. If you're gonna have a hot tub, that's the best feature to have. The pool feels smooth. There's a texture to the bottom, but it's not at all abrasive. It still feels smooth. It's not slippery. The sides are slick, but that's important. You want the sides to feel slick and clean. And there's just enough tooth on the bottom so that you feel like you're not going to fall. You feel safe. And I love the ledges all around. You can climb out of this pool without a ladder from just about anywhere. The deep end, you've got like 2 steps out all around the pool, which is great. It's a wonderful feature. And you walk in so gradually, it increases in depth so gradually. It's comfortable. I would highly recommend a leisure pool. I was just very taken with the quality, with my builder, with Jamie. I was very taken with the sense of trust, and that I love the fact that he had the same pool in his home, which says a lot for me. Same color, everything.
I want to thank you for watching that video. A lot of people often ask me, hey, what do you think about the Leisure Pools brand, the brand that you sell? Obviously, I'm going to say nice things, right? I think it means more sing it for a customer. So Michael, thank you for being on the video. And you guys out there in YouTube land, thank you for watching the video. If you happen to be interested in a leisure pool, I really believe in the brand. They're not paying me to do this. There's no kickbacks or anything like that. And you can't seem to find a dealer in your area, fill out the form on our website. I'm going to leave the link below, and I will do my best to put you in touch with a local dealer. I'm going to send it right to my Leisure Pools rep, and he can follow through with that. So just one more thing to make it easier for you to find a pool. We get calls from people around the country. We service Orange, Dutchess, Ulster, Sullivan, and Westchester and Putnam counties, but there are plenty more in the surrounding counties we dabble into. We go into Greene, we go into Rockland and stuff like that up at the Mawa. But check it out. If you feel like we might be a fit, we'd love to hear from you. Yeah, click on the link below and hopefully you'll become another happy customer.